Imagine waking up to find your internet down. No Zoom, no streaming, no smart devices. Now imagine it wasn't a technical issue, but sabotage. That's exactly what happened in Cedar Rapids, Iowa, where one man is now under arrest for allegedly cutting fiber optic cables and knocking out service for thousands. According to local authorities, a man in Cedar Rapids was taken into custody after being caught in the act of deliberately damaging underground fiber lines, causing widespread internet outages across parts of the city. Cedar Rapids, Iowa. A Cedar Rapids man is facing multiple charges after police say he cut and stole fiber wire behind his neighbor's home, disrupting internet and cable services for 2 neighborhoods. The damage didn't just cause some buffering. This was a major disruption. Prohibited internet down for homes and businesses. Telephone receiver phone service affected for some landlines. Ambulance emergency services rerouted in certain areas. Outages like this highlight just how vulnerable our infrastructure can be. A single act of vandalism can cripple communication, commerce, and even emergency response. 78-year-old Stephen Herman was arrested Monday and charged with critical infrastructure sabotage, second-degree criminal mischief, and second-degree theft. According to a criminal complaint, Herman used a ladder and garden shears to cut fiber wire behind a home in the 2800 block of Evelyn Drive Southwest around 12:45 p.m. on March 22. 2 witnesses reportedly saw him with the stolen wire. A warrant for his arrest was issued on April 9 with a $15,000 bond. He was taken into custody Monday. This story is a reminder of how much we rely on invisible threads like fiber optics to stay connected, and how quickly things can unravel when someone cuts that connection, literally. What do you think should happen in cases like this? Is there enough being done to protect critical infrastructure? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Make sure to like this video if you found it informative, and hit subscribe for more tech and local news updates. I'm Simmy, and I'll see you in the next one.